Hi, I wanted to show you one of my favorite new bags for the season. This is the Crossbody Organizing Tote. And I really like it because I feel like if you're on the go, this bag can keep you organized if you're going to the gym. I also think it would be a great diaper bag. So let's take a look at it. First off, it zippers close, okay? And it does not have a gap on the side. Some of you don't like that. Now this bag can have two looks. You can either have it up like this, or you can shove this down in for a little more polished look. Okay, a little more polished. Let me show you though what it looks like when it's open, what's on the inside. Let me show you. Now this could take you to the beach and back. You could take this to the gym. It has a pocket inside. It has a slash pocket. Oh, I thought I had something in there. I thought I was gonna have a surprise. All right, on the outside, it has a place to store your water bottle. On this side, put another water bottle on this side, or a bottle for a baby if you had one. And then in the front it has these pockets where you can put other things as well. Now, what's nice about this bag is you can carry it with short straps if you want, okay, which sometimes I like to grab things like this out of the car. But you can also wear this as a crossbody. Okay, and it's a big crossbody, so this would be a great diaper bag because you know when you have a little one, you have to have your hands free. So it has a total of 4 exterior pockets, and 2 are mesh, and 1 interior flat pocket. And this extendable closure, it makes the bag a little bigger, about 10% bigger, if you need a little more room. Okay, so it is available to be personalized, and it matches perfectly with our Skies For You Pebble or that new diamond print. So let me know if you'd like to order this. It comes in other prints as well. I'm gonna look at those up right now. It comes in charcoal. Okay, so if you want to get dad a diaper bag, you can do that. I did that for my boys when they had their babies, when I was gonna have my first grandbabies. Cool confetti right now. That's probably going away. Never mind, never mind. Diddy Dot, Fab Flourish, Patio Pop, and that's about it. So I think this would be such a nice gift for a baby shower. Because you can never have enough diaper bags. Anyway, let me know if I can help you personalize. Thanks. Bye.